bike check. Mosh fat seat, stolen thermalite seat post, fit seat post clamp. I used to have a integrated, but integrated suck. The cranks are Mission Transit cranks, and they really suck. Eastern Medusa V2 light sprocket or whatever. It sucks. Stolen thermalite pedals.
Oh!
God, you're stupid. You're so stupid.
Alright, continue.
KHE impact frame. Nitrous bars. They're amazing. Shout Conspiracy finger banger bar, or grips. Bars. Power ends. Those are amazing. Amber BMX stem. These are amazing. They're $15. And yeah. Stolen Vortex forks. They're holding up really well. Vortex bolt. Some metal headset. Yeah. The front tire is a FBM Nice and Happy rim, FBM spokes, DK Alpha front hub, and a fit and a FBM front peg. Just stock stuff. The tire's a Kenda K-Trad or whatever, and it's awesome. Stop it. The back wheel is a nitrous rim, and it's holding up really well. I don't even know, just some spokes and a Black Ops hub by Mirko, I think it is. And it's
Black Ops.
It's not very loud at all. Same with the pegs in front and back. A really crappy hub guard. Don't get the metal ones, they bend a lot. Get the plastics, they're worth it. And I think that's it. Oh, the bottom bracket is Mission Link or something. Mission Link mechanic or whatever.
Same back tire.
Same back tire. I think that's it.
And a green piece stick.
I normally run brakes. They died the other day, so yeah.